What's going on, guys? I just wanted to make this video real quick to explain to you, especially those that are day trading but find it hard to kind of grasp their edge. Well, here's another way of making money with stocks. You've heard of swing trading, right? But this swing trading isn't really swing trading, i.e. you're not holding for a week. No, you're holding for a few days. 1 to 3 days, 4 days. So what I do nowadays is that if I don't want to day trade, then I place a swing trade for a few days. Usually the money isn't as great, but it's guaranteed. Well, it's not guaranteed, but about 70% it comes out in your favor. So what happens here? Well, I use and fuse the earner report strategy most of you know about and the swing trading strategy together. What I do is I use the earner report catalyst. A catalyst is something that influences a stock to shoot up in value or down in value, and these stocks have to release earner reports. Majority of companies, every company on the stock market has to release an earner report to update investors. If investors see that this earner report is showing growth financially, i.e. this stock is showing growth financially, the revenue, the sales are increasing, that stock goes up in value. If not, that stock goes down in value. So that is a catalyst. As a swing trader, my whole job is to buy cheap and sell high. Buy a stock cheap and sell it high. So what I do nowadays is I don't have to wait. I can just use the earner report as a catalyst. So what I do is I wait for the earner report to be released, find out whether it's a good buy or a good sell, and if it's a negative earner report, that stock is going down in value. I know it's going down in value, and as a swing trader, we need that slow or quick movement. Right? Quick movement in the stock so we can make money. So we buy cheap and sell high. When an earner report comes out, I will short that stock. Right? I will short that stock and wait for it for a few days and take my money. Well, I know it's going down in value. Why do I know that? Well, because that company is failing. It's not growing. It's coming out with bad earner reports, right? No sales, no revenue. It misses analyst expectations. So I don't have to wait for the day. I don't have to perfect it. So I'll wait for a few days. That's if you're swing trading. Now, with shorting, like I said, it's so important to learn how to short because you can go wrong, and that's exactly what I did. So let's go into the computer, let's talk about it even further, let's have a look, and when I come back we'll talk even more. What's going on, guys? So obviously if you see here, we have net profit of almost $700 on a sell position on RPM. Now, what is a sell position? That's a short position. Right now, obviously we're using the platform that I say do not use. Why do I say that? Well, it's not for day trading, okay? Nowadays, you would notice that I fuse my day trading strategy and my swing trading strategy together to form this strategy. What is this strategy, guys? Let me explain this for you. So obviously with day trading, we only day trade catalysts, earner reports. So RPM on the 4th of January released an earner report, right? So RPM misses Q2 earnings and revenue estimates, shares decline, right? So that was what, 4th of January. So if we look at the stock from 4th of January, we could see that it's been declining, right? It's declining and declining. But also if we look at the previous financials of that company, that stock is also declining financially. So why did this stock go down? Well, like I said, if an earner report comes out good, the stock goes down in value. If an earner report comes out bad, the stock goes down in value. So what is a good earner report? Well, the earner report says this company is showing growth, financial growth. A bad earner report says this company is not showing any growth. And in that case, it missed all analyst expectations and whatnot. So if we look here from January 4th, guys, right, it's down 4%. And this is where I placed the short position when the earner report was released. Now, some people who are new will say, Zed, what is an earner report? Well, every company has to update investors with the financials of that company. So when they update investors and that investor that has his money in that stock sees that this company is not growing, it's failing, there's no growth, he's gonna or she's gonna take his or her money away from that stock. And when that happens, the stock goes down in value, and other people like me will come and short that stock, bet that this company is gonna fail. And that's how we make our money, is through shorting. Okay, so what did I do here? I've held that stock for 4 days over the weekend, and today it's Monday, and I'm gonna sell and take my profit, probably around 500, because there's fees that I incurred overnight from holding, and that's here, overnight funds or fees, whatever. So do not use this platform unless you're gonna swing trade. I use that strategy that I'm teaching here and not day trading. I use my other platform for day trading, the day trading platform for day trading. But where I'm from, we're kind of limited, guys, with the brokers to use. So obviously I have to make this kind of platform our thing. But let's go over it one more time. Earner report is released. We know when the earner report was released, and if you didn't, well, it's here on my Patreon. I gave it on December 30th. I told you on the 4th, RPM will release an earner report, right? And that's exactly what happened. RPM did release an earner report, and when that report was released, the stock dropped, it spiked, and then continued going down. Guess where I placed my position? At the drop. And then when it went up, I thought I lost money, but I knew when an earner report is bad, that stock has nowhere to go but down. It could take 2 days, 3 days, it's going down, right? So it's important to know that. It's important to know the behavior, guys, of stocks. If you don't know how to short stocks, it's simple. You're just betting that the stock is going down in value, and to close a short position, you will just have to buy it back and you make your €500 profit. So this is a 20 or 18,000 euro investment to make 500 on a swing trade. So obviously you guys know that swing trading is less profitable than day trading because you're waiting and you're just banking on one share or one stock. But that's something I do every now and then. 4 days to make $500, €500 is good enough for me. But yeah, if you want to know further about this, look at the rest of my YouTube videos or look in the description. There's a course, guys, that teaches you all of that, specifically how to short stocks, which I'm just working on and it will be placed today or tomorrow. So that's the way we trade these stocks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you back in person. So now you know, guys, that you can make sufficient money swing trading. Now I've only made 4% in 4 days. That's very little, right, for a stock. I don't know if I'm going to sell or I should wait, but usually I'd like to sell and take my money. So when the market opens, that stock should be down in value even further. So that's why I say, guys, learn how to short, because shorting you can go wrong and you always make, well, obviously you can go wrong assuming that, this company doesn't have a partnership overnight, or, it doesn't get upgraded or doesn't get bought by Warren Buffett, etc., etc., etc. So these are the bad lucks that you will have. But the majority of time this works because, well, some of you already know why, because I've explained it in so many videos, especially those that got my course. So I'll see you again for more videos, guys. I won't make any more videos this week because I'm just preparing for London and whatnot. So I'll see you when I'm in London, make more videos there. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Keep up with me on Instagram. If you haven't, follow me there. It's Simply Zed. And yeah, we'll talk even further. Keep the head down, keep learning, keep practicing, and don't look at the money at the start. Look at the consistency. If you can be consistent using the strategy or whatever strategy, whatever I teach you here, you're doing well, you're doing better than most people. But yeah, 2-3 days as a swing trade, that is heaven. Because a swing trader has to wait for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But to get your money, the same amounts of money, in 2-3 days, while fusing my earner report strategy, while fusing my earner report strategy and my other strategy together to make that money in 2-3 days, that's pretty good, right? I think that's a day trader's dream, or a swing trader's dream, is to make money every 3 days based on the earner report. So I want you to practice this. Find your edge using this, right? And maybe this could be for you. It's not even a day trading. This kind of new fuse could be for you. So if you don't know what's going on, look in the description. There's a course for you guys. And yeah, that's the way to make money nowadays. Even if you can't find your edge as a day trader, you can find your edge as a day trader / swing trader, because that's what it is. That's what the strategy is. Hold on for 3 days, 4 days, is the best thing you can do as a swing trader, because you're taking your money quick. Because as an everyday trader wants to, see the money in their bank account. So, peace and love, guys. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying here. See you again, guys.